Welcome to Introduction to Accounting 1, an intuitive approach. Let's get started. We want to begin today by defining accounting. Accounting is most frequently defined as the language of business. There are two words in this definition that we want to take a more careful look at. The first being business. Business can be a large multinational corporation, or it can be something as simple as a lemonade stand, or anything in between. The important part to remember is that all businesses use accounting, and accounting is how businesses communicate. The second word in the definition that we want to consider is the word language. Language suggests that a business would have some hate. This business says, I had positive cash flows in spite of a sluggish economy. My tax bill for the year is $179,000. Or I make 4 different types of shoes. Flip-flops are the most profitable. Accounting enables this business to communicate all of these things, plus many, many more. So why do businesses need to communicate? Another way of asking that question is, why does accounting exist? Accounting exists to help people make decisions. So a natural follow-up question to this would be, what kind of decisions can accounting help people make? And the answer to that question is, it depends. There are 3 types of accounting that we want to study. The first is tax accounting. The second is managerial accounting. And the third is financial accounting. Each of these types of accounting have a special purpose and special properties that we'll take a more careful look at. The first thing we want to look at is tax accounting. Tax accounting is what most people think of when they think of accountants. In reality, tax is just a small part of accounting and not going to be the focus of this video series. However, there are a couple of things that we want to know about tax accounting. First, tax accounting helps determine how much money is owed to the government for taxes. And the government sets the rules for determining the tax liability or the amount owed to the government. The second type of accounting we want to consider is managerial accounting. Managerial accounting is to help people inside the business make decisions. For example, at Acme Fireworks, one manager wants to know, how many firecrackers should we make this year? Another manager wants to know, how much should we charge for the fireworks? The really cool thing about managerial accounting is that there are no rules. The information is designed to meet the needs of the decision makers or meet the needs of the users. The next type of accounting we want to study is financial accounting. Financial accounting is designed to help people outside of the business make decisions. The people outside of the business that we concentrate on are creditors and investors. Creditors lend money to the business. Investors invest money in the business. Investors are actually owners of the business. Other outside users are governments, customers, suppliers, and labor unions. Although financial accounting is designed to help people outside of the business make decisions, people inside the business use financial accounting as well. Financial accounting produces multi-purpose reports. Unlike managerial accounting, where the report is designed to meet the needs of the user, financial accounting produces one set of reports, and those reports are used by any individuals that want to use the financial statements. They're not customized for each individual user. Financial accounting also follows rules. The rules that we follow in the United States are referred to as GAAP. GAAP is generally accepted accounting principles. So now let's review and pull it all together. We learned that accounting is the language of business. We also learned that accounting includes people and processes. Accounting captures, summarizes, and reports information about a business. It helps people to make decisions, and it includes 3 major areas. Those 3 areas are tax accounting, managerial accounting, And finally, financial accounting. Let's practice some more. What area of accounting is based on the needs of the user? We know that there are 3 areas of accounting. There is financial accounting, managerial, and tax accounting. Financial accounting produces multi-purpose reports. Managerial accounting is based on the needs of the user, and tax accounting is prepared for the government to determine the amount of taxes that are owed. So the area of accounting that is based on the needs of the users is B, managerial accounting. Our next question, what area of accounting follows rules set by the government? We have 3 areas of accounting: financial accounting, managerial accounting, and tax accounting. Managerial accounting is based on the needs of the user, and there are no rules associated with the preparation of managerial accounting reports. Financial accounting is based on rules, but those rules are not prepared by the government. In our next module, we'll learn a little bit more about where rules for preparing financial reports come from. But tax accounting, the rules are based or determined by the government. So the correct answer to this question is answer C. Tax accounting has rules that are set by the government. Next question. What area of accounting prepares multi-purpose reports? Financial accounting, managerial accounting, or tax? We know that the purpose of tax reports is to determine the amount of taxes that are owed, so that's not multi-purpose. The managerial accounting reports are based on the needs of the user, so it's financial accounting that prepares multi-purpose reports. Financial accounting prepares one set of reports. These reports are used by anyone that wishes to use the financial accounting reports. These reports are not customized to fit the needs of the individual users. So the correct answer is A, financial accounting. Next question. Why does accounting exist? We look at our options: ensure businesses are managed profitably, help people make decisions, give people jobs, and prepare tax returns. Ensure businesses are managed profitably might be a goal of accounting, but that is not the reason that accounting exists. To help people make decisions, that sounds like a reason that we discussed and is the purpose of accounting and the reason accounting exists. Give people jobs. Accounting does employ a lot of people, but that's not why accounting exists. Prepare tax returns. That's a part of accounting, but it's not why accounting exists. So the best answer to this question is B, help people make decisions. Question. This is going to be our last question of this video, and that is, why is accounting cool? Well, to answer that question, we noticed that people that understand accounting, understand business, and have the tools to make better and more informed decisions. So with that in mind, accountants rule the world.